The Setup menu. To get to the Setup menu, right-click to bring up the Quick menu, and then select Main menu, followed by Setup. The Setup menu features many of the options that you'll need to configure your DVR. This video will briefly explain those options. The Basic menu contains many of the same options found in the Setup wizard, including language and date and time options. Additional options include changing your video resolution, as well as options for daylight savings time. The Live menu will let you name your cameras, change any color settings, and help you configure the scan feature found in the Quick menu. Options to prevent certain areas of the screen from being recorded are also available in the Live menu in the Video Mask tab. The Record menu enables you to restrict certain channels from recording, control the position of the time and location stamps in any recordings, and configure snaps. You can also control the quality of recordings in this menu under the Record Bitrate tab. The Schedule menu allows you to control recording schedules for standard and motion detection recordings. The default is to record 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for all cameras. The Alarm menu allows you to control any alarms, email alerts, and motion grids for all of your channels. The Network menu will let you test the DVR's network connection. The Substream tab will allow you to change the quality of your streams when using the ZOSI View app. The User Management menu will let you add or delete users, as well as enable or deny permissions for user accounts. Only advanced accounts are able to set permissions. The PTZ menu will allow you to change any settings for your PTZ cameras. The Advanced menu will let you reset your DVR back to its factory default settings, as well as import or export the DVR's options.
This is my ZOSI 8-channel DVR with the 1 TB hard drive in it, and I've had good customer service from the ZOSI people. Crystal in particular, she's been helping me out, and I'm very satisfied with the customer service thus far.